your girl Genesis. Hey you guys, God will always like, it's so crazy.
Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease.
Ooh, my nails look crazy.
She just wanna dance and tease me.
Y'all, God is so good. Like, when I tell you God is so good, he just always, like, never fails to surprise me, like, ever. I could be having the worst season, whatever, and God will always like, it's so crazy. I came to inspect my car. Oh yeah, welcome to a new vlog. Sorry guys, I'm just very excited right now. But welcome to a new vlog. Make sure to hit that like button. It's your girl Genesis. Hey you guys, I hope you've been having a beautiful start of the year. But I just wanted to start off this vlog with a testimony because God is so good. And I was like so stressed out yesterday, just not only thinking about like everything that's going on in the world. Not that I'm like, you know what I'm saying, always doing that, but like when you see so many things and you know people are just good, and not good, but like, you know, innocent people just going through mad stuff, like that is so sad. And then I had to come inspect my car, and for some reason I always think like, you know, it's not gonna be able to whatever, and I'm sitting there stressing out, praying and this and that and the third. I call my dad, I call my mom is praying and everything. And I'm good. Like, your girl is good. And I'm just so grateful. And it was like, what, $23? Like, please. God is just perfect in every single way. So don't you dare doubt what your God can do for you. Thank you. Hold on. I think I'm going to go to Dunkin', but my mom calling. BRB. Y'all, so I just got home and we making breakfast at home. Because who has time to be buying the same thing at Dunkin' when you got it at home? We got food at home. Let's cook at home. All right, you guys, so I'm back home and I'm getting ready to fix me up some breakfast. I was going to go to Dunkin' and I said, why? Why? When you got bacon at home, you got bread at home, you got cheese at home, you got eggs at home, and you got coffee at home. Why are you going to waste $13 for what? Anyways, I'm back home. Go check out my vlog I just posted. I'm gonna put it right here. But let's get to making this, because I just took some ibuprofen because I got a little headache because I've been up so early, and of course I didn't get no like good sleep. And yeah guys, but I just wanted to tell y'all, like, God is so good. Like, I was so worried for no reason. Like, I had no reason to worry. Like, God is who he says he is, and that's just that. I was gonna go do my eyebrows today, and I still technically have time, so. But it's snowing, like, it's snowing a lot right now, so I don't know. We'll see. Either way, Monday I'm off, but I don't know if they're open on Mondays. Whatever, girl. It's not an emergency. It is, but it's not an emergency. Like, a real life emergency, never. Let's do this little breakfast.
I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am. I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am.
Yes, we love you, girl.
Seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I realize on the hope of a good time, cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another
breakfast is cooking, but my camera is dying, of course. So let me go charge it and I'll be back. Oh, what's up, you guys? It is a little later and it is literally snowing like crazy. Like literally snowing like crazy. I would show y'all, but it's a lot of creepy people out there. Let me try to show y'all a little bit. Hold on. Y'all see how much it's snowing? Like, wow. Yeah, so I'm definitely not going to do my eyebrows today, which is fine. I mean, I'm going to try to I'm going to laminate them up and then just try to pluck them myself. Because I used to do my own eyebrows, y'all. I used to do my own eyebrows all the time. And I just stopped because if you go get them done, why not? You know what I mean? But anyways, I'm going to try to deep clean tonight. Or just like clean, not deep clean because I already deep clean. But I'm going to just try to clean tonight if, you know, these kids allow. But if not, I think tonight, yeah. Because I like cleaning when the house is quiet. You know what I mean? I hate cleaning when it's just mad noise and busyness everywhere. Like, please be quiet so I can focus. Do one room at a time and etc. But yeah, y'all. Ain't doing nothing much for today. So I will catch y'all when I'm cleaning this house. BRB. Actually, I'm going to make my son some cornmeal. So I already did this before on my channel. But I'm going to do it again. Just in case. This is a nice cozy meal. And a nice cozy breakfast also. Very common in many cultures, I would say. But yeah, it's called cornmeal. Similar to cream of wheat, but I don't like cream of wheat. So we're going to do cornmeal. So I just let it cook. You have to like consistently mix it so the consistency is nice and smooth. I don't have any condensed milk and I don't have any evaporated milk. That's really the two key ingredients besides the vanilla and cinnamon. But it's okay. We're just gonna use regular milk this time. Cinnamon powder and cinnamon sticks. And I put 2 in there. And then obviously it depends the amount as well. But cinnamon sticks are usually strong. Yes, baby? Yeah, it's cooking. It's almost done. And then I put vanilla.
Can I tell the vlog that this is how you say vanilla sticks in Spanish?
How do you say it?
Canela.
Good job. Y'all heard him. Canela. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep mixing it until it's done. And then I will catch y'all and show y'all the finished products.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did what by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you the talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. That the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need people and shadow. 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 I did cut a cut when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings still they swing like Django Lover. Feelings still they swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, make a call, make a keep a deep bong, your body kakara, make a bong, on a make it. Kilo fe, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, no bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it, yeah, imade, double dose, kilo fe.
I like to use soap when I clean and Clorox wipes, but I ran out of Clorox wipes like y'all just seen, so Dawn soap. And honestly this Everspring is very good too, and it's all-purpose, very good. It says tough on dirt, grease, and grime, and it's an all-purpose cleaner, and it's lemon and mint. So that's why y'all see me go over with the soap and this on the sink and the bathroom. I mean the top of the toilet, like the exterior. Yeah. Yeah, I was watching this vlog like a day or two ago, and she was explaining how demons hate a clean home. And honestly, it was just feeling heavy in here. And I said, you know what? Let me get to cleaning my house, because between the stress of the kids, work, career, you know, my independent career, like everything at the same time is like, not today, Satan. Not ever, Satan. I literally just deep cleaned this tub like 2 days ago. Probably, yeah, 2 days ago. So I just cleaned the bottom, you know, just to refreshen it. But I'm getting ready to make my mop water. So let's go do that. and then I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. I don't even feel like doing it, but like I said, we need to clean this house.
But I need you now. Yeah. I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is something yesterday. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind. And not me the make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say not my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go quiet. Yeah, you could leave, I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Got till the morning, my one put down from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
Y'all, my camera died, so it's charging up right now, but I done cleaned the counters and stuff. Because if I wait for the camera to charge, I'm going to be here till 12 o'clock. It ain't hen. But it's charging up, so before I mop and stuff, I'm just going to make them some chicken nuggets.
Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget. Wet. Let it dry. Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget.
Alright, y'all. Don't mind this. This has to go. Because, ooh, my nails look crazy. But I'm about to make me a steak soon. This got to be put, like, warmed up again with some milk. Put in a plate. This is just some plain water. I put that there because I think it looks cute. But yeah, everything is wiped down, looking nice and clean.
Looking nice.
And then, hold on, don't mind this. I had to put this up here. But my recycling bin, I gotta wipe that down and then wipe this down. But yeah, dishes are done. Of course, there's always more dishes that you have to do right after you do dishes. But I wiped down my Nespresso machine. The waters and the Febreze and stuff is up here because obviously I'm in the middle of cleaning. But made me some chlorophyll water. I'll catch y'all in a minute. I'm already tired. Look at my eyes.
Can you color me?
Alright, you guys, so I'm just gonna take a break from cleaning because these kids, they just don't let me clean in peace, and it's more exhausting trying to do everything at the same time than to be realistic with myself. So I'm just gonna make me my steak. I seasoned it with slap your mama, don't really slap her, okay? But this is her. I seasoned both sides already. And then I use olive oil because the butter just makes me feel like my heart finna not act right, and I don't got time for that. Okay, maybe I would do a little butter. Just this little, that's a lot. Y'all, I was gonna do, I don't even think I have potatoes. I was gonna do like creamy baked potato. Yeah, I don't even have potatoes. And I don't want rice. So I guess I'm gonna just eat my steak by itself because whatever. So that's gonna be dinner. But my camera's right there. She just keeps, what's it called? She died and I don't feel like waiting so long until it charges. This chlorophyll water is so good, bro. I just put lemon juice and a lemon in here. I showed it on the last vlog, but I'm gonna show it again. This is the chlorophyll. This is the chlorophyll that I use. And it's really good, honestly. Like, this stuff works. I'm not joking. Like, I don't ever get on here and say something work without it working. But I'm about to make me another cup. I mean, it says serving size 15 drops. And then mix 15 drops into water 1 to 3 times daily. Maybe I shouldn't do it back to back though. I'm gonna just make me some ice water with the lemon that's in there. Cause I don't want nothing crazy to happen and me start, you know, going to the bathroom more frequent than needed. But hold on. I mean, really, I'm almost done cleaning. I just gotta do like vacuum and wipe down surfaces in my room, the living room, and then their room. So there's really not much left to do anyways, you know. I just wanted y'all to see the whole thing, but apparently it's not meant to be. I'm just kidding. I literally just cleaned the stove and I'm making steak. That's pissing me off. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna really put her to charge and just let her charge until, I don't know, later tonight, and then I'll show y'all the rest of the cleaning. BRB. She looks good to me. I'm gonna let it rest, and yeah.
Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. Only you feel on my body. Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, eager fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you want. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, say a little juvenile coulda run in a yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, Panellian in the street, and the main and the bucky man, Jesus Christ. Now make him run, now make him out, now make him sleep. Even nights more, yeah, dash when nobody can find. You must be sick, and a 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick, it's me. Coming up kill two of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. One more, tell them get the plank up. Every guns up, every kill a mass up. Mass have a band them in sport, does a clot up. Does a man up, dead the way I feel my lips. No, so you must mad, my killer them no works up. Long as him a talk food, too well swag up. And now I be gun for anything start up. Fully lock, fully charge and fully carb up. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick, it's me. Coming up kill two of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Intellectual murder people edition. A campfire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, big of a killer man. Ratty gang for me gang, pussy run up with your man. We make your man up, smarty a fish up. And what a top, in a head back. Like sponge up, put the rest back. Mother belly company when me let me stamp. How you know about gunman shift? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon Spain town in the fine for gun for medicine and your mamas. How you know about gunman shift? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon Spain town in the fine for gun for medicine and your mamas. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick, it's me. Coming up kill two of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Rock, Spanish town, Babylon, Crypto, Uptown, Gunsmith, no, Rattigan.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
Kids room, I'll probably do tomorrow because it ain't nothing to it but literally what's it called? Just vacuuming and mopping. But it's like it's 8:42. It's literally 8:42 and I've been cleaning since I don't even know how long. But everything is done. All right, y'all. Now let's head to. Actually, I gotta put some laundry in.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Been using this for years and I absolutely love it.
Since 2006.
Now that's done. Now look at my room, y'all. Let me show y'all this room. All right, that's the next pile. This is the clean pile. My pillow covers are in the washer. Those are on my pillows and just extra. Like I just ate, left it there. Why? Don't know, don't care. And then I gotta wipe this down. Honestly, I might do my room tomorrow the way I'm feeling.
Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sis. And when she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me.
Let's finish my room and the boys' room, and then I am done.
Love, if you run by me, love. Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee.
What's up, you guys? So I cleaned the entire house. Thank you, Jesus, first and foremost. But everything is clean. Vanity is squeaky clean. I just gotta put certain stuff away. Y'all know, like the last minute laundry or whatever. But everything is clean. Over here, I took down my little Christmas decor that I had, and I just got my wax warmer. Didn't find my candle. What's that called? My candle lighter or whatever. So it is what it is. And yeah. As I showed you on the previous clip, the boys' room is clean. So yeah, everything is done now. Bathroom clean, kitchen clean. Laundry is almost done, but that's the boring part. Y'all don't really want to see that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this reset vlog, and I hope this motivates you to keep your house clean. Remember, demons hate when we get up and show good stewardships towards what God gave us, which is cleaning our home as well. Not only clean the inside, but also the outside. So I thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment, all the above. Turn on your post notification bell so you get alerted every time that your girl posts a new vlog. And that's it, you guys. I hope y'all have a beautiful, beautiful rest of your day. Bye.